Come on down to the countertop today while we make brine to hold our chickens for the next 3 days. I just finished harvesting 4 roosters, and I'm going to put them in salt brine to hold them for a few days in the fridge. This allows the rigour to come out of the birds. So I have 8 cups of water and 1/3 cup of salt. Here in Canada, I'm using a coarse pickling salt with no additives. That way it's got no thickeners or iodine or anything in it, just salt. And I'm just going to stir this until it's ready. Oh, I'm making a mess. With years of history in the grocery business and working in the meat shop, I have some experience with chickens and parting them out and all of that. And my experience always taught us that 3 days is the limit. You open the package, you've got 3 days, or you buy it on the shelf, you've got 3 days. That already takes into consideration. That already takes into consideration that these products were aged before they got to the store. So I have 4 cups in the jar already. This is a half a gallon. We need a gallon actually. So if you were doing a full gallon, you would do. If you were doing a full gallon, you would do 3/4 cup to a gallon of water. I want most of this salt dissolved. I'm using extra large Ziploc bags to hold the chickens and the brine, and then I'm going to put them in my roasting pan in the bottom of the fridge. When they were harvested, the birds went straight, they were cleaned and processed and everything. They went straight into an ice bath of water, and they've been sitting in the ice bath. It's not going to stay cold enough for long, so I'm putting these away properly in the refrigerator. And this guy weighs 2,103 grams. Alexa, how many pounds and ounces is 2,103 grams?
2,103 grams is about 4 pounds 10 ounces.
Okay, so at 17 weeks old, this Canadian breast rooster weighed 4 pounds and 10 ounces, 2,103 grams. The Canadian breasts, there's not much left here, but the Canadian breasts have blue legs. These are a heritage bird that is dual purpose, and they originate from France. They may not be perfectly plucked right now, but in a few days when I handle them again, I'll finish the plucking and process them the rest of the way. This is left over from the previous bird I did. There we go. So it takes about 3/4 gallon to fill the bag. And there we have it. That goes in the fridge for 3 days. Thanks, guys. There is a video. I just put out a video a few days ago about spatchcocking my chicken, so I would take the spine out of it and I would spread it butterfly style. I will come with a follow-up video for parting these out if I've got one that's got a thick enough breast. I think this guy's pretty darn good. I think he's nice and meaty. I'll link all the other connections and videos in a playlist below about chicken care, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.